start this video off by giving all honor, praise, and glory to the Father, Ha'ava, Abanawa, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Kal Halalyam, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Wakabar, Wahadar. Alright. So, what is the setup of the Bible? Synthesis. The Bible is basically, before I go into that, I just want to paraphrase the scripture. The scriptures tell us that in Job, who can search out the Most High to perfection? You know, and then it tells us in Deuteronomy 29:29, the things that have been revealed. The secret things are for the Father, roughly paraphrasing, but the things that have been revealed for us. So, and then there's another scripture when Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, he also said, it'll come back to me. Lord will. Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah will. Alright, so what is the setup of the Bible? With that being said, synthesis. The Bible is pretty much a stream of consciousness. It's a stream of consciousness of the Father's will. Okay? And you come to understand that by how the scriptures tell you, through how the Most High tell us how we get the understanding. You know, by keeping the commandments, have a good understanding, have all they that keep His commandments. And most importantly, you being, you know, called and anointed and being hopefully of the hopeful elect, to where, you know, you was chosen to get this, and you have the ears to hear, you know, and Yahweh Shai, he will come and sup with you. Okay, and you hold fast to the things that you have heard, the things you have received and heard. You know, and it's pretty much all those things those are scriptures, for those that know that I'm pretty much quoting, to thus prove that the Bible is just a stream of consciousness. Now what, breaking that statement down, what is a stream? A stream is a flow of water. What are the scriptures? Water. They're known as water, living waters. And it all goes in one direction. Everything is perfect synchronicity. Like, this is how you get the misconception of the Trinity doctrine, because the Father and the Son and the angels, the heavens, and His elect, they are all in unison. We are all to be in unison. Even the left hand side is all in unison. Even Esau is in unison. He's doing what he's supposed to be doing. Everything is in unison. So you can't, as the scriptures tell us in Proverbs chapter 30, that you can't add or take from the word, roughly paraphrasing. So you got to have the whole thing. And then when having the whole thing, it's all one thing. I didn't say two. I said one thing. Now, the Most High is a spirit. You know, with Him is knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Okay? So that stream is all pointing in one direction. And ultimately, it's metaphorical in so many different ways and parabolic. Like the law was just our school teacher to just lead us to Yahweh Shah. It's a stream. the stream ultimately leads you somewhere too. It leads you to the end. What does it tell you? What did he tell you? He tells us that he's the first. We know he's the first and the last. Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah. He's the first and he's the last. Okay. For us, he's the first. He's the first spirit ever created. And not to get deep, and he's really the last because when we're changed, we'll be changed to the image of him. So Yahweh Shah, who's also Adam, as the scriptures tell us, we all come of Adam. Yahweh Shah is really Adam because he's the first of everything. In him dwells the fullness of all things. He's the preeminence. He's the first among many brethren. It tells you that in Romans. But I didn't want to keep this video too long. It's just something that hopped on my spirit. Maybe this would be a part one. What is the Bible? What is the setup of the Bible? Senses. It's a stream of consciousness of the Most High's will. Everything is in unison, flowing in one direction. It's water. Okay? So with that, I'm going to just say, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to the Father, Ha'abba, Abanawa, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Kal Halayim, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shah, Wa Chabad, Wa Hadar, Shalom.